So hello everyone, my name is Salim Sajin and I'm the team lead of the group Digital Bridge, and I'm here with my team to ask Sir Mohsin Raza some questions. So sir, firstly I would like you to introduce yourself. Who are you like and what you work at? What's your designation?
Yes, my name is Mohsin, and I work as a solution architect in one of best companies in the Pakistan. The company name is 360 Technology, and I have more than 17 years of experience in this industry.
Sir, our first question from you is what challenges do senior citizens commonly face when using digital technology?
Yes, Sarim, in digital technology, it has emerged in such a way in the world that from 3-year child to fully complete, old grown uh, people, the senior citizens, you are calling them, everybody is connected with the technology. So, difference lies where then they have some fear of the buttons, like in some 10 years before there were manual button system, there was no touch system, only you have to dial the numbers and you have to call the people, and that's etc. But now there are the menus, there are the touch UI, and that is the fear in the brain of an old man. So uh, especially the punctuations on different areas of the UI, and all those touch screen systems, they got into the fear. So that is the you can say these are the common challenges people you're calling them a senior citizen, but I call them a wise people. The wise people, they are the fear of UI and UX actually.
So basically they are not updated with the technology.
Yes.
So, and my second question is, in your view, how can tech companies make their products more senior friendly?
What we do actually, and actually in the market, people are working on such areas. That's called the typography, the UI, look and feel of the people, look and feel of the apps. The old people, the senior citizen, have a problem of eyesight normally. Then they have a problem of even ear side in hearing hearing they have a problem. So in that areas, the tech companies have to work. They have to make some better bold fonts, better typography, and especially the people who have the color blind problem. They have to set the UI with respect to the color blind people who are the using those apps. So that's how actually the apps will help the people to see the UI means the user interface, and when they see it, they can touch it with a better typography.
So this is just because of the cognitive decline of the people.
Yes, yes.
Assalamu alaikum. And my question from you would be, what basic digital skills should seniors learn first?
Only five things. The number one, they know the basic setting of the apps. Today every app has a mobile version, uh, from from technical, from the banking to the searching to the application usage. So five things they need to understand: the phone setting, where they can set their fonts by typography, look and feel they can manage as per their best visuals. Then they have to understand uh, how to call, and how to call from different apps like WhatsApp, from GSM calling, from these are the basic things they have to understand. And then the searching and verification. If they have to search some document from their mobile app, from mobile device, they can search it. They can send the document using WhatsApp. Right? This is very common. You have to send sometime. You have to set a prescription to your son, to your to your daughter, to your brother. You have to send them. So they should be easy and convenient use of WhatsApp usage. And then the one, and which is the very important, taking the pictures while they are sitting somewhere. They are playing with their children's grandchildren's, so they can take the pictures on from using different apps. That's how these are the basic things they should learn.
Right. So my next question from you would be, how does your company consider accessibility for older users in software design?
We don't make separate apps for the depending upon the the age limit. Means if we make the apps for the people from the adults to a fully grown and old citizens. We don't make a separate app for them. Yes, what we would do, we scale up the fonts, we change the colors, we make the menus easily understandable, rather a complex menu, where intellectual people can search the menu inside the apps, but a senior citizen have to struggle for it. So we make such a menus in such a way that every citizen, senior citizen, of even if I say every person can tap the menu. He knows, like if for example, if a man has to pay, he has to transfer the amount from one account to another account. We will just make a simple login process where he will just see the screen and logged into the app, and then when he need to transfer the money, there will be a button of the transfer. Everybody knows the transfer means the transfer, and he will select the from account, he will select the to account, and he will put the amount, and that's it. So this is how it is a simple way, rather to have a complex methodologies.
So my question is, what features make apps or websites easier for seniors to use?
As narrated in my previous answers, I was emphasizing on the usability of any mobile app or any web app. Easiness, and the simple formula is KISS, KISS, KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. When you keep it simple, it will be discoverable, it will be a touchable, it will be a understandable. We use a different kind of icons which can make understand anybody, even a person who has no idea how to read the English, or who he can just see the menu. He will touch it and he will make a command. Then we make a voice input, so he can just tap on the microphone and start speaking up, so the instruction will be passed to the system. So this is how we will make it easy for them.
So my next question is, how can tech companies support digital literacy training for senior citizens?
Oh, this is a very typical question, and every app have a learning option while to use it. What we will do, there are a lot of options. Even you can say from YouTube you can learn, but as a senior citizen, maybe he has no time to read or learn from the YouTube, and it is difficult. He has to even understand how to use the YouTube itself. So rather we navigate him to the YouTube, we make a videos inside the app, and those videos are, you can say, they are navigation. The navigation is being used inside the videos. So we will show him at the step 1, you will click on this. Step 2, you will tab on this. Step 3, you will tab on this. Every icon is being visually appealing for that person, and he will use that easily.
Now the next question I would like to ask you is, what kind of training methods work best for teaching seniors, online, in person, or blended?
Look, my child, a senior citizen has no time to read online. It is very difficult for him to use a technical app or even technical device. What we suggest, we request in-person training to our senior citizen. You will tell him that you will click on this, you will tap on this, you will do this. Make it repetition so that when a senior citizen do a single job twice or thrice or a four time, then he will be able to understand that app. And even if after that he has some problem, as in previous question I elaborate that we made some kind of visually appealing videos. He can A senior citizen can see that videos repetitively, and it will make him understand how to use that app.
Now, the next question I would like to ask you is, how can community partnerships help improve digital skills among older adults?
This is a typical and difficult question for the senior citizens in the area, in the locality we are living with. Local mosques, community health workers, branch banking staff should run a short weekly help clinic. You can say they can build a trust with their senior citizen when they came up to them. Like if a senior citizen went to a bank and he has to make understand that app, the person who is sitting before him should be so polite that he can make him understand. He tell him how to use it. He tell him when to use it. He tell him he make a trust between a technology and a senior citizen. That will help. You can say is a partnership between the digital skills and among the elder persons.
So, my first question is, what new technologies like AI or voice assistants could make technology easier for citizens?
AI is a game changer nowadays. So even a baby who is a 3-year-old or even 2.5-year-old, he can tap the mic and start searching their favorite cartoons. This is what happening nowadays. So a senior citizen is also like a baby. So rather he touch or type, it's more easy for him. He just tap on the mic and start speaking. When he starts speaking, the AI will answer him. Naturally, the AI will understand that person, that how and who and when this person is asking the question, and the how mostly this specific person asked the question. So AI will understand the patterns. He know about that person, so he will answer him more conveniently with convenience of that senior citizen. So this is how AI is helping now.
Okay, so you are saying that AI is like a mentor for.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Okay, so my next question is, what advice would you give to those creating digital literacy programs for senior citizens?
I just tell you that when you take them as your kid, this is a one way. Okay, so as a kid, you guys, I can be means if you cannot be harsh with me, guys, because I am senior to you. As a child, as a children, you should respect me. So the respect is the first element. You have to pay respect to that senior citizen. The senior citizen will not understand your training in one attempt. He might not understand your training in second attempt. Even you have to repeat yourself for the 10 times. But the respect should be there. When you repeat your song again and again, eventually that senior citizen will start singing with you.
So, sir, I would like to thank you for answering our questions. It was such a pleasure to meet you, and you answered some really good questions. We all are. We all thank you without due respects.
Same here. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.